Hi friends, welcome to SB Prediction. UK 49's lunchtime and tea time prediction Sunday, 16 February 2025. UK 49's lunchtime prediction first number 9, number 14, number 26, number 33, number 42, booster number 27. UK 49's lunchtime and tea time prediction. Join YouTube channel membership 99% accurate prediction member only. Join YouTube channel membership now. Join only level 3 UK 49's 3 hot number. 99% accurate prediction 3 hot number. Join only level 3 UK 49's 3 hot number. Join now. Today UK 49's tea time prediction number. First number 4, number 19, number 34, number 25, number 48, booster number 6. UK 49's lunchtime and tea time prediction complete.